Hi, I'm Darren O'Reilly and I'm here to help you unlock the potential of the lucrative serviced accommodation industry. So if you've been thinking about starting your own serviced accommodation business or scaling what you already have, then you're in the right place. So I've created the Rent to Riches Serviced Accommodation Action Course to give you everything you need to build, launch and grow a profitable serviced accommodation business step by step. This course covers 8 key modules, all packed with practical tools and strategies, including how to create a winning business plan, setting up and managing your properties to deliver exceptional guest experiences, marketing strategies to maximize bookings and revenue, financial management, legal compliance, and so much more. Each module is designed with 5+ short, focused lessons, no long, overwhelming 45 or 60-minute videos here. I've structured it this way to keep you focused and help you implement what you learn with ease. Every lesson will take the guesswork out of building a successful SA business so you can move forward with confidence and clarity. So the full price of this course will be $997 when it officially launches on the 7th of February 2025. It's going to be packed with the knowledge, tools and the documents you need to transform your service accommodation journey. But right now I'm going to offer you an exclusive pre-launch price of just $497, and I want to go even further. For the next 20 people who commit early, I'm taking an additional £100 off, which means you can secure this course for just $397. That is a very small investment for a lifetime of potential. So this is your chance to access proven strategies, gain lifetime access to all the materials and get the guidance you need to start your journey towards financial freedom. So don't wait, this exclusive $397 price is only available for the next 20 people who sign up and commit. So don't delay, click the link below to secure your price now and let's get started building your service accommodation story together. Can't wait to see you on the inside of this course. Let's make this year your breakthrough year.